What if the years turn into gold? They found